Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the AZ Online Car Show, where we visit Toyota today. We're going to take a look at some of their inventory and give you a look at some of their prices. Why not we buckle up and go for a ride? When we were here at this particular dealership last month, we saw this entire lot full of Tundras and Forerunners and Tacomas, and every single vehicle that you can imagine they had at this particular dealership. While they have been moving a lot of your smaller vehicles like your RAV4s, like your Toyota Crosses of the world, even some of your lower trim model Camrys, they are still having a hard time getting rid of these Tundras and the Tacomas in particularly because of their pricing. As you see here, there are a lot of red tags going on this lot for all of your Toyota Tundras. They still have some 2025s. They still have 2026s on this lot, but they have not been moving at the rate that other models have been moving. We go over here to this truck. This is the 2023 Toyota Tundra Capstone, which is the highest trim model that the Tundra comes in. This has the hybrid motor, which has 437 horsepower and 583 foot-pounds of torque. It is connected to the 8-speed automatic transmission. This truck only has 11,390 miles on it, but this particular dealership wants $58,999 plus your taxes, title, licensing, and all that. So you're very easily looking at $65,000 for this particular used truck. It is not certified, and it has 11,390 miles on it. Going over to this truck over here, it's a little bit of a walk. This is a 2026 Toyota Tundra SR5, which nobody's owned, which nobody has ever driven in. It has 0 miles on it, and the price on this particular truck is $60,715, and it's a 2026. So if you were seriously looking at a Tundra, which one would you rather have? Would you rather have a truck that has 0 miles on it and $60,715, or that Toyota Capstone that has been driven 11,000 miles for a grand total of 3 years, and you're going to have a lot higher interest rate than what you would have for any of these new Tundras. If Tundra sales were a problem, the Tacoma not selling is a bigger problem for a Toyota than any other problem that they are currently facing right now. There are a lot of Tacomas that are not selling right now. They're not selling for MSRP. They're not selling for basically invoice. They have to give a lot of discounts to move these Toyota Tacomas. Even though that this is a Tundra, this is a 2026 Tundra SR. This is the base model for the Tundra. It has a long bed. The only trim that you can get a long bed with, and it has $10,000 off of MSRP, and it's still not moving. MSRP on this is, see it there, $44,914, $34,914, and it's not moving. Take a look at all of these Tundras. They have their special 4.99% interest rates, and they are not moving. This white one in particular, it's a 2026 Toyota Tundra SR5. It has the lifted wheels on it. It is your bed liners on it. It's got all the works. See your bed liner there. It has your cloth interior, your two-tone roof with the black. Not only does it have your special interest rate of 4.99%, but it also has $7,000 off of MSRP, and it's still sitting here. Plus, on this particular truck, you're also paying for a lot of the add-ons. Nearly $8,000 worth of add-ons. You can absolutely buy this truck without the add-ons. $44,438 and nearly $8,000 added to the price. That is a lot of money for these Toyota trucks, especially with the quality problems with the engine and transmission for the Tundras and the Tacomas. Something else you don't see every day is red tag specials on Toyota Camrys. Like the Tundra, like the Tacoma and 4Runner, these higher trim model Camrys are just not moving as well as they should be. We're going to take a look at this particular one. It's a 2026 Camry XLE. It has 0 miles. It is a fairly popular trim model for the Camry. We're going to take a look around the Camry. Looks fairly nice. Has leather interior in it. Not as snazzy as some of your other trim model Camrys. It has a special rate of 4.99% interest for either 60 or 72 months. Even with that, $37,512, and that includes your appearance package for nearly $2,000. They don't need an extra $2,000 appearance package to sell something like this. The Camry sells itself. It's a reliable car, the #1 selling car in America, but these higher trim model Camrys are not moving. Here goes another one we're going to take a look at. It's a SE model, I believe. Still your 4.99% for 72 months. And it is $35,747, and it's a 2026. Question to you guys today is, would you still buy a Toyota Camry or another Toyota model even though the prices have gone through the moon? Let us know in the comment section. I want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the AZ Online Car Show. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day, everybody.